Hakasin Beningkong ka Meghalaya Athletics Association ka Meghalaya State Olympic Association but ka Directorate of Sports and Youth Affairs Government of Meghalaya kin penlong ka Sohra International Half Marathon da Arajar Arpuar ya ka bala itu da ka Athletic Federation of India. Habay cringe kilat patay kubor hakalay po tarik naiwing usketri ka Meghalaya Athletics Association uba finally parian ulay ito bayakani kaya kop mare kanlong haka arpuay tarik Nohprah arhajar arpuar. Kajingi kop mare kan sedang na mau kedok syadu Sohra rim haka jingjingay kumba arpo kilometer.
This time also we having another one show which was proposed before the Northeast Olympic, the Sohra International Half Marathon. This was supposed to start from Nohprah till Sohra, the first proposal, but due to the road condition, after the recce was done by the international Mr. Stanley from the AFI, has changed it to a point-to-point Nohprah, 10K and come back. So this marathon is recognized by the World Athletic because we are paying them the permit fee of 10 lakhs. Because they recognize any athlete can come to participate all over India plus outside the India because it's a recognized, and it will be done. All the technical expert will be from the Athletic Federation who are international in this run. So we are happy that the Athletic Federation has accepted our proposal, and the government also is sponsoring this whole new budget. This is 1 crore 39 lakhs. So the prize money will be about 10 lakhs, 10,000. So details have 3 age group. One is the elite group, which is 1 lakh 50 first prize. And then we have the run for Meghalaya only, means the permanent resident. And then we have the above 51 group and also the run for fun. So that will be more attractive. So we are very happy that we are able to hope so that there will be not only this first time, hope to continue this run because the scenery beauty of the Sohra, which will be part of tourism promotion also for Sohra, this run will be a success with the help of you or the media also. Anything happens to them, it is at their own risk, not us. It's already put in the website. So the website also is already there.
So what they can do is they can register, participants can register online and offline. So as mentioned by Paryak, this is the first international Sohra marathon, half marathon, and we are expecting a lot of participants from abroad, international participants, and all over India, the top runners, because the prize money is also very good. And so to provide an opportunity for our locals also, there is a category which is only for Meghalayans on production of PRC or Aadhaar, and the international category is the elite category where the prize money is a different category.
This is 1 lakh 50 first prize, 1 lakh second, third 50,000, fourth 40,000, fifth 20,000 for the elite. For the Meghalayan PRC is 30,000, 15,000 and 10,000, and we have increased the 10 consolation at 5,000 each, so that every three, at least more athletes will participate. So this is men and women. And above 50, we have the 10K. The first prize will be 15,000, 10,000, and 3 consolation, 5,000 each. So total prize is about 10,000, or 10 lakhs, 10,000. So there's almost $2,000. So we are expecting at least a Southeast Asian runner to come and participate. We have a lot of calls today that we are expect to get elite runners so that it'll be more attractive to this run. So we are talking with the government. If they allow, we can bear the expenses of the stay and everything. They'll be coming to do the run.